Right, in the passenger seat on the Land Rover Defender, and you have got lots of options for charging. You have got a charging point here, you have got USB-C charging point, and you can plug your phone in. That's not my phone, and you can charge it as a passenger. It's easy. You've got a USB-A, you've got another charging thing there, so there's plenty of things, but you still have to plug it in and stuff, and you've got the wire hanging. So someone said to us, you do the wireless charger pad that goes here, why don't you do one that actually goes in this passenger sort of thing? So he said, all right. So Zach's been busy and he's designed this. So this is designed on our 3D printer. One thing we will say is we use all recycled ABS on these now, don't we, Zach? So this is made from recycled plastic, so its environmental footprint is low, which is good. So this is designed to take the rubber charging mat. Unfortunately, that isn't made from recycled plastic. If you thread that through there, and then this sits in here beautifully. It just squidges in there. Okay, and that holds that, and this is a wireless charging pad. And what you can do is you can put this in. Now this is clever. Now this area here actually gets a little bit thinner as it gets to this end. So what we can do is we can put it in here, and you watch, when I push it down at the back, it sort of clicks in place. Okay, and you can slide it along here, and then if you get a wireless charging, a USB adapter here, you can plug that into your cigarette lighter there, and there you go, you've got wireless charging. So there's no need to use a wire. Your passenger can simply put their phone on here. We may have to put the ignition on, and hopefully we will see our phone charge. Yep, the lights come on. There you go, you can see it charging there. So that is the wireless charging tray for the Land Rover Defender passenger side. Now this should work for left-hand drive and right-hand drive cars. We haven't tested in one. Does your tray taper this way, Zach? Yes, he's nodding. So we're going to have to do a left-hand drive version, aren't we?
Yep.
But that's easy. You can just flip the CAD data over. So we will make this available in left-hand drive and right-hand drive. Let's turn that off. It's bipping. So yeah, Zach will have to change his part number now to add the left-hand drive and right-hand drive version. So we will get that up and going, and we'll get that on the website. There you go. Right, a couple of other little bonus features on this video. If you look from the side, you'll notice it's a wedge shape, and what that's given us is this really little sort of stepped finish in 3D print, which is actually really nice. We really like the sort of way it's come out. Obviously 3D printing gives you lines, but the way it's come out is really nice. And the other thing I wanted to mention is, if you've got a phone, it sort of does fit, but it doesn't actually fit as nice as this. Gives you a bit more real estate, a bit more nice flat area where you can put your phone. So there you go. We really like it. Good luck.